Do not bring that over here. Do not bring that. No, no, no. Do not bring that over. Where is he?
He put another dead one over there before. I want to go see. Come on.
It's not dead.
I know it's not dead, but he has a dead one over there right now. It's right there in the grass up there.
So wait, he's collecting them?
I think he is. He put some up here. Did he just catch it?
Yeah, buddy, where's your...
You think it's still alive?
I think so, but now I don't know where... Oh, wait, there it is.
It's
right. It's right there.
Let me see. It's so cute though. I got that a bag.
Yeah, I've never seen one up that close.
He's not... It's obviously injured.
It blends in with
It does really well, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. No, it made a noise.
He's just messing with it at this point.
Okay, buddy, can I have that? Okay, I think it's free. I think it made it. Yep, it's in the tree. It's in the tree. Oh gosh, he's in the tree too. I think he doesn't know where it is now. Oh, wait, he sees it. He's making noises. He sees it. What you gonna do now, buddy? And now you're not gonna climb that tree. You remember that time you got stuck up in the tree?
He didn't get stuck.
Well, that was his sister. Okay.
He's good at climbing trees.
I guess he's had his fun now. He's given up. Okay, he gets to live. Oh, he's panting. That's what I thought he was doing, that other chattering thing that cats do. Hey, buddy. Where's your collar? There it is. Okay, so you do still have it.
Okay, then we can let it go.
Yeah, he's panting. He said I had to pet him. Okay, good boy. That was a good boy. There you go.
You didn't need to give good boy an either.
I'm only petting you because you didn't just have a dead animal in your mouth this time.